What's up, everybody on YouTube? I'm in a rush. I'm ready to go pick up my truck. I just dropped it off so I can get my wheels and tires put on. But I will be back so I can show you guys what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Oh, y'all, this joint is so tough now. Look at that. Y'all see it? Oh, God. Oh, Lordy. Yeah, this joint tough. I love it. You want it? Yes. Okay, guys, I got the truck out. This is what it looks like. You probably can hear the wind and everything. Boy, this joint looks mean, man. Look at the rims. These are Motive off-roads, all black. 22-inch rims, 33-inch tires. I got the VDS suspension system. I don't know if y'all probably can't see it. I'll try to get up in here. I believe it's like a 4-inch lift on there now, so it's a little bit higher than what I had before. But this joint looks extremely good. Now, next up is paint job to go with the rims. Look at how aggressive she looks, man. Look at that. Sheesh. This joint, everything, bruh. Everything. I wanted to do everything to this truck. I'm gonna still do everything to this truck. Get it painted. I already got my windows tinted. What else? Change the lights. I might get the wheel well lights now. Give me some underglow. I'm digging the headlights already. I was planning on putting some lights in the grill. Do a little something like that. Changing the rim. Put make it glow at least. Probably glow red. That's probably what I do. So my idea for this joint is just like crazy. It's already been done. Like I already seen the paint job before, but the way I want it, boy, this joint already looking crazy. Look at this stance. It's so aggressive, y'all. Sorry, I'm over here in my school's parking lot, so it's like a stadium over there. I'm pretty sure it's like a baseball stadium or something. Boy, this joint. Shout out to NBD MOTORSPORTS for putting my lift kit on and putting the wheels and stuff on. Shout out to Tread Life for the tires. And shout out to R&R tires. That's what it was. Shout out to them for the rims. But this joint in general, y'all, it looks better. Compare the last video to this video for my truck, and you gonna see how much of a difference this joint made. Like the all black rims, you can never go wrong with all black rims, man. This joint is just raw. I gotta get some mud flaps now because it's just throwing up dirt and stuff on the side. So once I get that, we're gonna be straight. So I might just go ahead after I sell the old ones, like all these old tires, the rims and stuff. These are Rebel rims, so they're pretty limited, you know, only to the Rebel models. But you know, selling these probably for like a quick buck, about a band used. But I'm gonna give me some mud flaps with the money that I made off the tires and rims. to protect this. Look at it. See, look. It was a big puddle on my way here. I should have hit it. Yeah. Well, that's it for the truck. Tune in for the next update on the truck, whatever I do next to it. But make sure you guys subscribe, like. You don't have to leave a comment, but you know, leave a comment for what you want to see next. Really trying to do something different from time to time. MBD Motorsports gave me some of their merch. They gave me a sticker that I'm gonna put on the back of the truck. And they gave me this shirt, MBD Motorsports. Let's see if it could focus. Come on, come on, come on. Autofocus, autofocus. It's not trying to focus. Yeah. There we go. Specializing in trucks, SUV cars, lowriders, and trophy trucks. Yo, they had a sick lowrider in there, Chevy Impala. They was doing an airbag system in there. And yo, shouts out to them for the installation of my suspension and wheels and tires. So yeah.